Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the cutest little crown for our frog prince. For this video, you will need a size 6 bulky blanket yarn. I'm going to be using the velvety one in the video, but this one that's already made is just regular plushy blanket yarn, so either one will work really nicely. And I just chose this one for the color, really, because I like that it's kind of like a gold. It looks like gold to me. So size 6 bulky blanket yarn, a 6mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, and some scissors. And that is it. So to get started here, we're going to make a little slip knot. Then we are going to chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now in the second chain from the hook, so here's my first chain, we're going to skip it, and then in that second one we're going to do a single crochet. Now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2. Now in my second chain from the hook, so skip this one and into this one, we're going to do a slip stitch. Now we're going to be working again in this main chain here, and we're going to single crochet in the next 2 chains that we've got on our main little chain there. So a 1 and a 2. Now once again we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch in the second chain from your hook. Slip stitch. And we're just going to repeat that. So once again, working on our main little chain, our starting chain, we're going to single crochet in the next 2 unworked chains. So 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and then we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then in the second chain from the hook, slip stitch. So by doing that, we make a little picot that makes our little points on the crown. So now once again on that main chain, our foundation chain, we're going to do single crochet and single crochet into the next 2 chains. Then we're going to chain 2 once again, 1, 2, and in the second chain from the hook, slip stitch. And then back on the foundation chain, single crochet in the next 2. There's a 1 and a 2. Now chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch in the second chain from your hook. Now you should have 1 chain left, and we're just going to put 1 single crochet right there. And if you remember, we had 1 single crochet in the beginning too. So when you put those together, you've got 2 little single crochets. Now I'm going to pull my yarn out and cut my end, but I'm going to leave a little bit of room here. So a couple of inches. What is that? Maybe 8 inches or so. So I'm going to chop that, and then I'm going to pull my loop out. And now we're going to make a loop with our crown. So we're going to bring it around to make a little loop. And what we're going to do is stitch it together to make it into the crown. So go like this. And now bring it together. And you just want to stitch the end to the beginning. So just put a couple little stitches in there wherever. This blanket yarn is super fluffy, so yeah, it's very forgiving. You won't see any crazy stitches, so you just stitch however crazy you want to. There we go. I'm going to put another one in there. And then when you've got it all stitched into a little crown, I'm going to leave this long because we can use it to stitch it onto Mr. Frog's head. And you can weave this end in if you like, or you can also stitch it onto his head. It's up to you. But you can weave it into the bottom of your single crochets or whatever you like. Let's see, where are my single crochets? Right there. I'm going to weave it in before I cut it. There we go. Bring that through there. And then you can chop this end, or like I said, you can also stitch it into his head if you want his crown to be kind of permanent. All right, now let's get Mr. Frog and try his little crown on. See which one I like better too. I haven't made one out of this velvet yarn yet, but you can stitch it onto his little head however you want. And the great thing about this crown is that it's really soft, so it's still like it feels, he's still like a soft squishy plushie, you know, even with his little crown on. So I love that. Let's maybe bring it to the side. There we go. Is that better, Mr. Frog? And then once you get it stitched how you kind of like it to keep it on his little head, then I'm just going to cut off your little ends and have the cutest little frog prints. And yeah, I don't like to put too many stitches on because I like just enough to hold it on just in case I decide I want to take it off and, you know, put something else on him, another little accessory. My frogs like to accessorize a lot, so, but I'm just gonna blend that down in there somewhere and give it a chop. All right. Oh, and then straighten out your crown, mister. There is our cute little frog prince. Oh, he's so handsome too. I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and stay tuned for next week because we're going to be making a princess tiara for our frog princesses. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh.